I'm Anthony Santos, 30 years old, and I swam all the way from Navotas City. So, I'm a physical therapist for 10 years, and I stand for recognizing my superheroes, and rather other than my patients. They are my role models. They fight to move again, to walk again, and to live fully again. People often think na yung mga role models ko are champions, achievers, famous people, but no, they are my patients. Actually, they are elderly, bedridden, stroke patients na gustong gumaling ulit. So, they struggle every day, they show up every day on our rehab sessions because they want to fully recover, they want to embrace their family, and they want to live longer with their children. These stories, hundreds of inspiring stories that I'm excited to share, made me redefine what it truly means to become a superbud. Until one of them told me, "Anak, sali ka sa superbud." Then here I am standing, trying to help more people reclaim the life they thought they lost. And this is my superbud era.